If you want to change App Store region on your iPhone 16e, first of all, open up your App Store, give it a couple seconds to be loaded up. Now here at the top right corner, locate your account icon, tap on it. Now we have to tap on our account name. Here choose country/region, give it a couple seconds to load up once again. Tap change country or region and choose the desired region. For example, let's set it on Austria. Now press agree, press next. So here you have to enter your postcode, street, number, your card number, SVV, so do that, and basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.